See that they're saying, told the question, gravitational force on the surface of the moon is only 1/6 as strong as gravitational force on the earth. What is the weight in newtons of a 10 kg object on the moon on the earth? That is what they are asking. So, what is the weight on 10 kg object on the moon and on the earth? They are asking. So, as we all knows that who is always constant from earth to moon or anywhere? Somebody is constant and somebody is not constant. Anybody can tell me?
Mass is constant and weight is not
Always
constant.
constant, and you can take weight is not the constant. So observe, I will teach you now two relations. If you want to solve the 12th question, it's very quite easy question. So we need to know two relations. One relation first. Gravitational force of earth is 6 times of gravitational force of moon. Are you all familiar with this? Yes, please, Mr. Akilan. Or we can say gravitational force of moon is equals to how many times less than gravitational force of earth? Everybody. 6 times less than the gravitational force of earth. Or we proved that as it is gravitational force is directly proportional to weight, because weight is equals to mass into acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity. As we know that weight on earth is equals to 6 times of weight on moon. Same way, weight on moon is equals to 6 times less than weight on earth. We have proved this one also. Is it yes or no? I want the response from everyone. Yes, Mr. Harisaras, Gokul, Kaushik.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Gravity relation and as well as weight relation. Now the question they are asking, already they have given that gravitational force means G is surface of the moon is only 1/6 as strong as gravitational force of the earth. Means this is the statement they have given. Now they are asking what is the weight in newtons of 10 kg body? What is the mass formula? Mass is equals to what is the symbol? They have given mass is equals to how many kg, guys? 10 kg. Okay. Now as we know, mass is always remains constant or not? Yes. Mass remains constant. Now they are asking what is the weight on earth and what is the weight on moon. So now you tell me, we can solve it weight on moon in two ways. Let it be, first of all, you tell me what is the weight formula? Weight is equals to what? Mass into acceleration due to gravity. You should tell, guys, what is the unit of weight, Mr. Kaushik? I want the answer from you. Let me see. Ashwin Balaji, can you tell me what is the unit of weight? Gokul, unit of weight.
Newtons.
Newtons. That is what I am asking. Because force or weight both are same only. So I don't know why Mr. Kaushik and Ashwin Balaji cannot. What, Kaushik? Like this only will be? Unit of weight or force is Newton. How many times we have been done? So many questions also we saw. Now, they are asking weight on earth. Weight on earth. So what is the formula? Weight on earth is equals to mass into acceleration due to gravity of earth. So you can take acceleration due to gravity of earth. Mass is 10 kg into what is the acceleration due to gravity of earth? At least Kaushik, this answer. Acceleration due to gravity of earth. Value 9.8 meter per second square. So if you substitute 9.8 meter per second square, Ashwin and Kaushik, please leave from the meeting. I don't know. Which is equals to, what is actually an answer? Mithakshri, 10 into 9.8, which is equals to 98 kilogram meter per second square. And we know 1 kilogram meter per second square is equals to how many newtons?
1 Newton.
1 Newton. So which is equals to 98 newtons is the answer. Okay, weight on earth. Now they are asking also what? Read the question. What they are asking? Weight Weight on moon.
Sir.
They are asking moon. So weight on moon we can solve in two ways. One is weight on moon is equals to mass into acceleration due to gravity of moon. So what is the acceleration due to gravity of moon, Mr. Kaushik? Again I am asking you. Acceleration due to gravity of moon. Aswin? Mr. Aswin Balaji, can you hear me? What is the acceleration due to gravity of moon? Value I am asking. Yes, please. No, no, no. (1.63 meter per second square). So if you multiply this, what is the answer will come, guys? 10 into 1.63, you will get how much? 16.3. Understanding? Kilogram meter per second square, which is equals to, if you will do it, you will get how much, guys? 16.3 newtons. That is what? Weight on moon. Okay, or alternative method. We know weight on moon is equals to 6 times of less than, understanding, 6 times less than weight on earth. Is it yes or no, Mithakshri? Gokul? Yes. So
Yes, sir.
weight on moon is equals to 1/6 into, what is the weight on earth? Here you can see, what is the weight on earth? 98 newtons. So 1 into 98, 98 newtons divided by 6. All of you solve this. What is the answer? Alternate. Yes, please. Solve it and tell me.
16.3, sir.
Yes. Because we know that. Why it is 16.3? Because we know weight on gravity of earth is 6 times greater than gravity of moon. So same answer will come. So for solving weight on moon, you can choose any way. Whatever it is convenient, you can go with that. Understand, Mithakshri? Akilan? So your choice it
Yes,
is.
sir.
Always you should know the relations, gravity of earth and gravity of moon. What is the relation? Same way, weight on earth and weight on moon relation. So very, very important thing. If you know that, you can solve it very easy. That is what my expectation. Okay, solve it. Everybody complete it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Hope everybody complete it. Mr. Kaushik, I know you can speak. Mr. Aswin Balaji, you also. So unable to learn two values. Weight of gravity of earth is 9.8 meter per second square. How many times you have used? Gravity of moon is 9.8 divided by 6. That is what? 1.63 meter per second square. You cannot learn that. You know, that's fine. Even we solved practically also. Yes, Mithakshri, values also we calculated with the help of G formula. Yes or no? Both moon and earth. Is it yes? And the relation also I taught, weight relation. So what is the G formula, common formula? Small g is equals to capital G into capital M divided by R square, radius square. So for this earth and as well as moon, every value based I taught you, but you not remember. So what is what it is. Mr. Ashwin, if you are like this, you will be like this only, guy. You have to communicate, man. Communicate and answer. Show the development day by day. Completed, Mithakshri, this question. Akilan?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, every day I'm saying the same thing, but I never see. Only same students will respond. That's fine. Okay, right, next. 13th question. 13th question is very important question. Mr. Harish has completed 12th question.
Yes, sir.
Solve more effectively and fastly. That is what I want. One single question you must able to solve in different methods. Next, 13th question you read, guys. Very important question. 13th question. Now onwards, very, very important, guys. Read 13th question, everybody. Yeah. Read outside. Kaushik, at least can you read the question? I will be happy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now you are answering. But
A ball is thrown vertically upwards with a velocity of 49 meters per second. Calculate
Calculate.
The maximum height to which it rises.
And next one, the total time taken to return to the surface of the earth. So they are asking total time. Let it be first maximum height they are asking. So ball is thrown upwards or coming downwards? Is it in free fall or going upwards? Yes, please.
Going upwards.
Going upwards. So let it be this question. So first picture you should make. Mithakshri, can you able to draw the picture? Mr. Haris Eras, Akilan, can you
Yes,
draw the picture? So picture is very, very important. So how, sorry, just it is class 10 one. So escape. Sorry for that. Now, let us see how it will be happening. Now, read the question carefully. Read the question. So what they're saying, first of all, ball is thrown upward. So ball is thrown upward means some velocity will become zero. Mr. Kaushik, can you tell me? A ball is thrown upward, so it will reach us to the certain height. So thrown upward with the velocity 49 meter per second. 49 meter per second. Is it initial velocity or final velocity? That is what my answer. Yes, please.
Final velocity.
What is
Yes, Mr. Kaushik. Kaushik will say. Ball is throws upward. Yeah, Kaushik.
Final velocity.
Final velocity, where it will come? Down or up?
Sir, down, sir.
Down. That is what, Kaushik. So you don't have any kind of basic. 1,000 times I'll teach also, you'll never remember anything. That is what I can make the conclusion. Okay. Now, if the ball is thrown upward, remember all of you, initial velocity is down will come. That is what? Maximum. Now, once it is going up, velocity decreases. Velocity decreases. So completely ulta, Kaushik. Velocity decreases. Once it reaches to the maximum height, final velocity become what, guys? Zero. Understand, Mr. Kaushik? Again, forget by tomorrow. Okay? Remember everyone, free fall. Free fall means ball is falling towards to the ground. This is what the ground. Free fall coming. Now, in this situation, initial velocity is zero, which will come up. So it is falling same direction of ground. So that G value positive or negative, Gokul, Akilan, G value positive 9.8 meter per second square. Now, before touching the ground, before touching ground, velocity is maximum. That is what? Final velocity. Because when coming down, velocity increases. Velocity increases. After studying everything from the first chapter, now again you are saying ulta. That's fine, at least learn now. Now, ball is thrown upward. It is opposite to that. Free fall opposite. Ball is thrown upward. Like this ball is going. So, initial velocity is maximum. So, going up after reaching certain height, final velocity becomes zero. Because velocity decreases when we are going up, decreases moving upward direction. So it is going opposite to the gravity. Gravity is like this direction, ball is going like this. So that is why G value is considered as minus 9.8 meter per second square. At least are you clear now, Mr. Kaushik and Skin Balaji? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Don't forget, Mr. Kaushik, because if basics are wrong, then none of us will help you in anywhere in the 11th and 12th. The main concept is you solve numerical or doesn't matter. What free fall, what is the sign convention? In the thrown upward, what is the sign convention? That is the basic duty of yours. Okay. Now it is thrown upward. So what case will come? Free fall or thrown upwards? Thrown upwards. So initial velocity is at the down. That is what? Maximum. So how much they have given? 49 meter per second. Next, ball is going upwards. So it will reach us to the final velocity 0. As it is going upwards, velocity decreases. So G value positive or negative, guys? G value positive or negative? Negative 9.8 meter per second square. Now you tell me, they are asking maximum height. So now I want to find the height. So let me write the given data. So initial velocity is 49 meter per second. We know that it reaches to the height upward. So that final velocity is 0 meter per second, because I am writing very clearly, thrown upwards. Final velocity is 0. Next, thrown upwards, G value is negative. How much it is? We should know this too. Minus 9.8 meter per second square, because again thrown upwards. This much clearly we will write. Tell me. Now they are asking us to calculate height. Now you tell me, based upon the given data, which formula is suitable to calculate the height? Everybody, let me see who will say first. We are having three formulas. V is equals to U plus GT. H is equals to ut plus half gt square. Third one, v square minus u square is equals to 2gh. Yes, Mr. Kaushik, what is your guess? Which formula, first or second or third, to calculate height? They are asking height. Say something wrong also, no problem. What formula you are expecting? Mr. Ashwin? Ashwin, otherwise you leave from the meeting. No issues. I'll speak with your father, your brother. What formula you are expecting? Harish Jairas? Mitakshri?
Sir, third formula, sir. Third equation.
Yes. Why third formula, Mitakshri? Why are you choosing? Very good, Akilan.
Sir, because in the given they didn't give the time, sir. So we can choose third equation.
Now, first formula I cannot take because no height is there. Second formula I may take, but no time period is mentioned. So the only data which I can, only formula I can use is third formula, because according to the given data, no time is mentioned. So I can go only with the third equation. So third equation is v square minus u square is equals to 2gh. Okay. Sir, we cannot see the screen. Oh, sorry. Is it Akilan? You should tell me, correct. Sorry, ma. You cannot able to see my screen. Oh, sorry. You can see here. So ball is thrown upward. At least you should tell me before, correct. A ball is freely falling. Initial velocity is 0 at top. It will come, and before touching the ground, maximum velocity will be there. So G value is positive. Ayo, sorry for that. I have not noticed. You should tell me that. Now, when the ball is thrown upwards, initial velocity is maximum. Final velocity is 0. That is what I have to remember, and G value is negative. So this is what the case will come. Now, as we know, based upon the given data, no time is mentioned, so I am using the third equation. So now substitute the values. What is the final velocity, everybody? Final velocity is 0 square minus initial velocity is how much, guys? Initial velocity 49 whole square into 2 into G value is minus 9.8 into H. Any doubt in this? Yes, please. That is what will happen. Next, 0 square, 0 only, minus 49 square. So can I write as a 49 square as 49 into 49? Any doubt? Anybody? Yes. Next, minus into 2. Anyhow, minus into plus, minus only. 19.8 into 2, which is equals to 19.6. You can multiply 9.8 into 2, which is equals to 196, one digit before. So 19.6 into H. Now minus will get cancelled. So H is equals to 49 into 49 divided by 19.6. So please all of you solve 49 into 49. You will get 2401. Do the multiplication, everyone. Divided by 19.6. So solve this one and tell me your answer. I am waiting for your answer. Mr. Akilan already told the answer. He got the answer is 122.5 meters is the height. Others also should get. Akilan told 122.5 meters is his answer. Others, let me see. Is you are getting or not, you tell me.
So 1 to 2.5, sir.
Yeah, okay, well, that's Kaushik, have you understand Kaushik? Harish Jairas?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is one. Mr. Kaushik, you solved or not? Solving?
Yes, sir. Solving, sir.
Solve very carefully. Learn. Don't commit mistake in basics. Ball is thrown upward. Initial velocity is maximum, which will come at down. And after reaching certain height, body will become attain zero velocity. So that is what final velocity. And is going thrown upwards. Velocity decreases. G value is negative because it is opposite to gravity. Earth will pulls like this, but body is going like this. That is why G value is negative. Next, free fall case, body is also falling like this, gravity also like this. That is why G value is positive. And free fall case, initial velocity is zero, but it will come at up. And before touching the ground, maximum velocity. That is what final velocity. Understand, Mr. Kaushik?
Yes, sir.
Be careful and do it. That is what it is. So solve it and don't forget what you are learning. You should know and you have to remember it. It's very simple concepts, but the thing is we have to solve it very carefully. Okay, Mitachi. So finish it fast now. Once this will over, now second subdivision. What is second subdivision? They are asking, check it. What is the total time it takes to return to the surface of the earth? They are asking. So they are not asking what is the time taken to reach the height. So anyhow, any ball if you throw, it will never go continuously. After reaching certain height, it will be back into the earth. Is it right or wrong? Everybody. Yes, please. All of you. So whatever the body if you throw, definitely after reaching the certain height, it will be back into the earth. Now they are asking, what is the total time? Total time means from going to up and from up to down. That is what total time. So if you will calculate any one time, suppose from your home to my home is it has taken 1 hour, means from your home to my home also will take again same 1 hour only. So I will calculate any one time it will reaches to the maximum height or coming down. Then I can make it just double in a plus into 2. If I'll do, I'll get the total time. So that's all they're asking. So all of you should remember total time means the time taken to going up and coming down. That is what you have to remember. So Roman number 2, total time is equals to time taken to go up plus time taken to return to the earth. Now let us calculate the time taken to go up. So that is what we know that. So as I know, a ball is thrown upward. What is the initial velocity Kaushik given? 49 meters per second. As we know, final velocity will become 0 meter per second. Z value is minus 9.8 meter per second. Now you tell me, they're asking us to calculate the time. So which equation I can use, guys? Simple equation I want to know. Anybody? What is the equation we can use, guys, to calculate time? You know initial velocity, you know final velocity. Both you know. I want time now. So which equation I can use?
First equation.
Second. Yes? Everybody? First equation we can use. So V is equals to U plus GT. Why, sir? Second equation is H is equals to UT plus half GT square. So no final velocity. So we cannot use this one. So we can use this one. Of course, by using this also you can get, but this is very complicated because as we know height is 122.5. By using this also we can get or not, Mitakshri? Yes, Akilan?
Yes, sir.
Yes, but it is very complicated. So that is why we'll go with the first equation. So first equation, initial velocity is final velocity is 0, which is equals to initial velocity 49 plus g value minus 9.8 into t. Now, which will turn 49 plus into minus 9.8 into t. Now, this minus 9.8 into t will come this side, it will turn 9.8 into t, which is equals to 49. So now t is equals to 49 divided by 9.8, which if you solve this one, you will get 5 seconds. So this 5 seconds is what? Only time taken to go up. Go up is 5 seconds, means coming down also how much, Kaushik? Balaji, coming down also it will be totally 5 seconds. So total time is equals to 5 seconds plus 5 seconds, which is equals to 10 seconds. That is what we have to write it. So total time means the time taken to go up and time taken to return, both 5 seconds plus 5 seconds, which is equals to 10 seconds. Mr. Hari Jairas, have you solved? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if you solve, then Mitaksari solve the 14th question. Let them solve. I will wait. Mr. Kaushik, Gokul and all, let them solve. Everybody, you write the 14th question. I think my help is needed for you in 17th question only. Till 17th question you can solve. Yes, Mitaksari? That is not about this 13th question. Next 14th question, how much is got answer? I think you will be getting answer. But Mitaksari, how much you take? 10 or 9.8? That is what my question. Mr. Akilan, you also should tell me. Have you taken 10 or 9.8?
Sir, 9.8, sir.
Yes, yes, very good. If you have taken 10, it will be very difficult. Yes, Mitaksari, calculations? If you take 10, it won't come proper root. You might be notice it. Yes or no? Yeah. 14th question. All of you read the 14th question. So they are saying a stone is released from the top. Released from the top means what, guys? Released from the top means initial velocity is 0, final velocity is 0. Mr. Kaushik, just now I told. Released from a top of a tower of height 19.6 meters. Now calculate its final velocity just before touching the ground. That is what the question. So let us solve. If you don't know also, I know that most of you can solve, but that's fine. So you can see how it will be. Diagram is important. Mitaksari, have you drawn diagram, Mr. Akilan? Okay. So now let us take some tower. You all people knows. So just normal tower I am taking. So let me imagine this is what the tower. So what is the height of the tower, everybody? What is the height of the tower they are saying? Yes, please. What is the height of the tower they are saying? Question you can see. Yes, 19.6. That is what the height. So let me take this is what the height, which is equals to 19.6 meters. Diagram always will make you comfortable. H is equals to 19.6. So is it thrown upwards or released? Check it. Released from the top means the stone is released from here. Means it is in the case of free fall or thrown upward. Everybody. It is the case of free fall. So if it is the free fall, as we know, a body travels with the initial velocity is 0 up. Akilan, can you able to see my screen or NCERT book? Are you seeing the word document?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
now they are asking calculates its final velocity just before touching the ground. So after touching the ground, every velocity is 0. So before touching the ground, they are asking what is the velocity? That is only final velocity. So now you tell me, what is the equation we can use to solve this one? You know initial velocity and you know final velocity we want, and we know height also. And main thing, it is falling downwards. So G value is positive, plus 9.8 meter per second square. Now you tell me which equation we can use. No time is mentioned, so they are asking final velocity. So which Yes, which equation? See that no time is mentioned. Again, which equation, guys? Initial velocity is 0. They're asking final velocity. We know G 9.8 meter per second square and H is equals to 19.6 meters. So what is the equation? Equation number 3. That is what? V square minus U square is equals to 2GH. So V square minus U square is the equation is equals to 2GH. Now, final velocity we want. So V square minus initial velocity is what? 0 square, which is equals to 2 into 9.8 G value into H is equals to 19.6. Is it right or wrong? Yes, everyone? So 0 square, 0 only. So I will write V square is equals to 9.8 into 2. How much Rakilan? 9.8 into 2, which is equals to 19.6. So 19.6 into Harish Jairas, have you completed? 19.6.
Yes, sir.
19.6. So you can see here, guys, 2 into 2. Can I write as a 2 square? Yes, please. Yes. Same way, 19.6 into 19.6, I can write as a 19.6 whole square. So this is what I will do it. Why I am doing, you will understand now. Yes, guys. I think by this time everybody knows. Yes, Mithakshri? 19.6 whole square. Okay. Now, this square will come this side, it will become root, or else both the sides you can get cancelled the square, nothing is there. So root 19.6 whole square. So now square and root will get cancelled. V is equals to again 19.6 meter per second. That is your answer. Hope everybody saw it. Okay, guys. Make it. Next, 15th question. 14th question clear? Everybody? Any doubt? Please ask me. Okay, next slide. Next one, 15th question. Can we start? Yes, please. Next, 15th question you can read. Completed, Kaushik?
Yes, sir.
Now, 13th question and 15th question is similar. You can read. A stone is thrown vertically upward with an initial velocity of 40 meter per second. So, final velocity is what, Kaushik? At least now, final velocity is what?
Sir, 0.
0. And they are saying that taking G value is 10. Now, thrown upward, G value is plus 10 or minus 10? Thrown upward, opposite direction. It is minus 10. They are asking find the maximum height reached by the stone next. This is what very important. What is the net displacement and the total distance covered by the stone? So meeting is going to end, join back, and this is a very important question. So net displacement is the one which will come in the chapter 1. So once you remember the definition only, you can solve this question. So otherwise you cannot. So let me see that how many of you will solve. So have you all solved this question? Then you solve this question. So write it first, given data. First of all, let me find the normal height. So they're asking what is the height attained by the body, maximum height attained by the body. Okay. So first, write the given data. A ball is thrown vertically upwards. So ball is thrown vertically upwards with the initial velocity of 49